first dragon put on a witch's hat and a nose.
Sharing some spooktacular Halloween stories, Hilton Head Island Elementary School is celebrating Book-O-Ween. Invited guests from the community, as well as some Hilton Head Island High School students,
You can say trick or treat.
visited classrooms reading Halloween-themed and other books to students.
We reached out to different community members in Hilton Head and different principals at the different cluster schools, and we just thought it was super important to bring community members into read to classes because it's great for the students to see other people reading, and especially to have males come in, police officers, firefighters, so just to get that experience and just to get them excited and to see other people read.
The school also held a special Halloween parade. Students dressed up like their favorite book characters and marched through the hallways.
I'm the Pinter from Don't Let the Pinter Drive the Bus, and I chose this as my costume because I really like how he freaks out that he isn't allowed to drive the bus.
I am Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and it's from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I like this book because it helped me learn my ABCs, and I've always just loved the book because of the author, and I love the illustrations and how he contributes, how like all the letters do something and then they need help, and they've kind of learned their own lesson about doing things that they weren't told, or maybe thinking about something and then it might not turn out right.
The school hopes all the fun educational activities will help encourage kids to read more.
We understand the importance of getting our students reading at a young age, and we thought it was going to be a fun event for students to see other students dressed up as their favorite book characters to get them excited about reading other books.
This is the first time the school has hosted Book-O-Ween at Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.